A logo is basically an identity. Primarily, it's a name. Consider it a name with a side of personality. Lexus is an automobile, but the design of the logo conveys that it's a little bit more upscale, right? Mercedes, even more so, a more recognizable logo. Most businesses, when they're starting up, and they're not marketers and not advertising agencies, they don't understand the purpose of a logo. And the purpose of a logo is, like I said before, it's simply an identity. It's McDonald's, it's Burger King, it's Disney, it's Kerigan Marketing Associates. It identifies who you are. But when it's the first thing you do, and that's where most small businesses start, they have to have a sign, they have a logo, a t-shirt, whatever they start with, they make the logo do too much. A logo should be iconic and unique and recognizable. As you drive down the interstate with your 3-year-old in the back seat, they can recognize the golden arches of McDonald's and they want to stop. That's the purpose of a logo right there. However, most small businesses, they try to turn the logo into an ad. Not unusual. I see it not every time, but most of the time. That's the first thing they're doing. So they want the logo to have their name. They want it to have this picture, that picture, another picture. It's got all these accessories all over the logo. But a logo rarely will ever be seen by itself. The logo doesn't need to do all of that, especially these days where a logo is going to be seen right here, this big. If you try to do all of that, you're never going to know who the business is. As people get more confident in their business, they simplify their logo. When I work with a client, what I really want to do is help them understand how a logo works and how it won't work. So a lot of times as they get more confident, they can realize how a logo will be used. And very rarely will your logo ever be seen all by itself. If it's on a business card, it gets the benefit of your personality or whoever hands it over. If it's at the top of a website, you've got lots of imagery and descriptive content that lives below that logo. Same thing for a print ad, billboard. The logo doesn't have to do everything. Your logo is the first impression. It's not just a part of your business. It is your business when that's all that someone's going to see at the top of their phone or moving by a sign or surfing the internet. As marketers, we've listened to thousands of consumers, and we know that people judge a book by its cover. They judge a business by its logo. It's just the way consumer behavior works. So that's why it's important. It's also very time consuming and expensive. As a business owner, you're going to take a lot of time to figure it out yourself, sketch it out yourself, work with a print designer, work with a freelance designer. That's going to take a lot of time. Sometimes it's going to take a significant amount of money, and you really should get it done right the first time. Don't plan to just do something and we'll fix it a year down the road. Well, that means putting new decals on your trucks and throwing away the t-shirts you have and reprinting business cards. Just do it right the first time. Get that identity right. Make that investment right up front for that foundation.